Welcome to Chana Tutorials. Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you some underlying reasons or motives why we need to study English. But before that, allow me to invite you to subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so you get updated whenever I upload new videos. Start with, let us try to discover the underlying motives on why we need to study English. 1. English communication increases income. Yes, you will have a lot of chances to land a good job if you happen to be good with the English language. English improves your self-esteem and your confidence level that whenever you are going to apply for a position, whatever that is, you would definitely have an edge over any other applicants. English knowledge helps you make friends in any part of the world. The use of the internet allows us to communicate to people anywhere in the world. When you are good with the English language, then you could readily understand and communicate to these people whom you are going to make friends with through the internet. 3. Movies, books, magazines, and videos are all in English. You can't understand anything not unless you have a very good command of the English language. So, we really have to learn it. 4. When you speak English well, you earn respect from people. When we hear someone speaking English, oftentimes we get to have an idea that this person is intelligent. Because for us, when somebody speaks English, we normally have the same kind of feeling that this person is well known in the society. 5. English makes you knowledgeable. The more you read, the more you listen to good speakers, the more you learn a lot of things, anything under the sun. 7. English makes your travel experience great. In traveling, you meet a lot of people from different walks of life using different languages. But with English, you are one. If you want to communicate with them, just use English and Viola. You understand each other. 8. English provide you influence and power. People who speak English and write confidently in English are considered influential and powerful in the society. They are often heard in discussions or meetings as they can express their ideas fully well, that they can convince people to take their stand on certain issues and concerns. 9. Our culture is shared to the world through the English language. As we communicate in English, more and more people will understand our culture. We can impart our culture to others in the same way that we can also understand their culture as they share it to us. 10. Innovation is better when English is practiced. You discover and understand researches, innovations, inventions, which make it easier for us to adjust to the new life of the modern world. 11. English is the language of the internet and the media industry. Reality check. Almost all of us spend our free time surfing the internet. And when we know English, we don't rely on translation and subtitles to enjoy what we get to watch online. So, it is really important for us to learn English. How to start? We can start it by listening to good speakers, reading books and magazines, or watching videos in English. Start speaking English at home in as simple as, can you give me a glass of water? Can I borrow your pen? In these simple ways, we can definitely learn the English language little by little. Before I end, if ever you have topics you would want me to cover in my next videos, please comment below so I would find time to work on it in my upcoming videos. To keep yourself posted on my new videos, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell so you get updated whenever I upload new videos. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you again soon. Bye!